natural gas. In this video, we're going over my trade idea of the week and the day-by-day probability model. So let's start off with the technical analysis on the 1 hour chart. We remain in negative MACD. We're seeing signs of a diverge. We're approaching to oversold levels with the RSI. We're still below the 200 moving average, this green line, currently at a price of $5.12. With the 4 hour chart, we are in negative MACD territory and approaching to oversold condition with the RSI. As with the daily chart, we remain in positive MACD, seeing signs of a diverge, and we're off of overbought levels with the RSI. As with the trade idea, I'll be trading UNG, and my position size for it is less than 1% of my portfolio. My long entry is at $17.15, and that is this range there. My sell target is at $17.99. My stop loss is at $16.82. However, if I were to open a short position, my entry is at $18.15, and that is this range there. My sell target is at $17.48, and my stop loss is at $18.33. So whichever entry price were to hit first, that'll be my position of the week. So how did I develop these trade ideas? It all comes from the day-by-day probability model. As we progress to the 5th day or weekly trading, natural gas has a 67% chance to climb between 0 to 3%. To the downside, it has a 33% chance to fall between -3 to -6%. So if you enjoyed this content, feel free to like, comment, subscribe, and thank you for watching.